Hey, I want to give you all 3 really quick and really simple things to do that can help you get a client today. So the first one is to make sure you first of all have a CRM system and to take all the email addresses of everybody who's ever said no to you for a job or you've never managed to get one and email them all. Just because you weren't right then doesn't mean you aren't right now. I've got email templates on my Tin House website. It's not one of those things where you have to put an email address in to sign up for it. You won't get spammed. You can literally copy and paste. Nice and easy, because why not be nice and easy? The next one is all of your current clients, people you're currently working for or have worked for in the last 12 months. Send them a message and say, have you got any projects coming up? I'm just trying to get my schedule in order. This will prompt them to book you because they will think you're trying to get your schedule in order because you have a lot of work on. We need to get in there. This is a good way to get a quick and easy booking. Now, the third and final one is an e-shot. An e-shot is kind of like a MailChimp letter where you'll send out a project, a portfolio update, some sort of thing like that. If you've signed up to my mailing list, you'll receive some of mine along those lines. I'll send them out so you can all see them. But you need to send one out, and somebody at some point when you're sending it out will be looking for a photographer. I guarantee it. Photographers are the panic purchase of the industry. We are the last people to find out about the job. Before they come to us, everything else has been sorted. And often by the time it comes to getting a photographer, it's a case of who do we know? Who do we know? If you were the last name to land in that inbox, you will be the first person they call. And I guarantee you, I have got book covers from this. I literally send it out, 5 minutes later, the phone rings. And yes, I have a big mailing list of about 7,000 people in the industry, but whatever your mailing list is, get it out to them and start working on that mailing list. And that'll be for a future video about how we can sort of build long-term clients and get that marketing going. Also on the Tin House website, I have a link to my Marketing Mondays, which is a to-do list, a checklist of everything you should do every single week. Copy and paste that out. Again, you don't need to sign up for anything to get it. It's just on there to copy and paste and work your way through that every single week. You will be amazed at how quickly you get clients doing these things. Anyway, really short video. Hope it's been of help. See you soon. Bye-bye.